Now, I'm going to throw out a couple of terms here that are kind of buzzwords. Although they're relatively new in the way that we describe things, they're really as old as human history. The concept is not new, just the vocabulary. The words are pattern recognition and confirmation bias. What happens is that most of the harm that we cause, not the harm that we intend, but the harm that we actually produce on accident in the lives of real people, it comes from these two things working together. We see enough to recognize a shape, we find enough there to confirm a particular pattern, one that agrees with our conclusions, and then we stop looking. We judge, we act, and the damage follows. That is not a modern psychological phenomenon, and it is not something that emerged with the internet, social media, or AI. It's the oldest story in human history. A finite mind, certain beyond what its information actually supports, producing consequences that it never intended, but it can't take back. The mathematician calls it a verification error. The psychologist calls it confirmation bias. And the theologian calls it sin. It's the same ceiling, but with three different views underneath it, coming to the same conclusion, just using different words.